Welcome! In this video, we will explain the most important features of Kdenlive for video editing, starting from customizing the interface to using effects in audio mixing. The goal is to help you understand the essential tools and work professionally within the program, no matter your skill level.
Customizing the interface. Kdenlive's interface is fully customizable. You can arrange windows, change their positions, and show or hide any panel according to your workflow. Simply go to the View menu to choose the elements you want to add or remove, or save a custom layout that you can return to at any time.
Project sources. The project bin is where all the media you'll use is gathered: videos, images, audio, and sub-timelines. You can organize files into folders, rename them, and keep your project tidy and easy to navigate.
Clip Monitor allows you to preview any file before placing it on the timeline. Here, you can review the video, set in and out points, and ensure the material is suitable before starting to edit, without affecting the main sequence.
Project Monitor. This monitor displays the final result of your timeline. Every edit, effect, or transition appears here instantly. You can use playback controls, zoom, and view frames in detail to review every aspect of your work.
Audio Mixer is an essential tool for controlling audio levels. It allows you to lower or raise the volume for each track, monitor peaks, and balance dialogues, music, and sound effects. You can also add audio effects like EQ or compressors to achieve clear and balanced sound.
Effects. Kdenlive offers a wide library of visual and audio effects. You can apply color correction, blur, transitions, or even advanced effects like keying to remove backgrounds. Each effect is adjustable through detailed settings, and you can track motion, copy settings, or save them as ready-made templates.
With this, we have covered the most important Kdenlive tools you need to start editing professionally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support the content and follow the rest of the lessons to gain deeper skills in production and editing.